video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my high puff. So let's get started. So I'm going to be starting off with wetting the perimeter of my hair with water and brushing this through to the ends. Now I'm going to put the gel on the perimeter of my hair and brush my hair up to where I want my high puff to be. Now I'm going to put all my hair on top of my head where I want my high puff to be. And then I'm going to wrap the ponytail around my high puff. Now this is optional, but I like to pull on my hair so more of my hair can come through so that my high puff could look bigger. Now this is also optional. I like to tie down my hair with a scarf for about 10-15 minutes so that the gel can dry a little bit and that my hair can look sleek with my high puff. So these are my final results. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload videos.